You know what makes an email look instantly professional or instantly like it was written by a robot from the 1990s? The very first line and the very last line. Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Let's get into it.
So, Leo, you write a lot of emails for work, right?
Huh. Oh, yeah. Way too many. And I always stress about the beginning and the end. Like, do I start with dear, hello, hi? And then ending it feels just as awkward.
Exactly. And most English learners are taught these very formal, very stiff formulas that native speakers almost never use anymore. Today, we're going to replace 3 of those clunky formulas with what people actually say, and we're starting with the most outdated one of all.
Is it dear sir or madam?
Ha ha ha, bingo. That is our first formula to retire. It sounds like you're writing a letter to the king in a historical movie. In modern professional emails, it's too impersonal and frankly, a bit lazy.
But wait, what if I don't know the person's name? That's why we were taught to use it.
Great question. In today's world, there's almost always a way to find a name. Check the company website, LinkedIn, the email signature of someone who copied them, but if you truly, absolutely cannot find a name, here's what you say instead. Dear hiring manager, for a job application. Dear customer service team or dear team. These are specific and show you made an effort.
Okay, so dear sir, Adam is out. What should I use if I do know the name?
For most professional situations, dear is perfect. Dear Maya, if it's someone very senior you've never met or a very formal industry like law. Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Jones is safe. But hello is also becoming extremely common and professional.
Got it. So step 1, banish dear sir, Adam to the history books.
Exactly. Now, after the greeting, you often want a polite opening line. And this brings us to our second key formula. I hope this email finds you well.
Oh, I use that all the time. Is that bad?
It's not bad, Leo, but it's become so overused that it's almost invisible. It's like background noise. Everyone says it, so it doesn't carry much meaning anymore. The real secret is knowing when to use it and when to replace it with something better.
Okay, when should I use it?
Use it when you're writing to someone you have an existing positive relationship with. It's a polite, warm check-in. For example, to a colleague or a client you work with regularly. Hi, Sarah, I hope this email finds you well. Following up on our meeting.
And when should I not use it?
Don't use it when you're writing a cold email to someone you've never met. It can sound insincere because you don't actually know how they are. Also, if the email is about a problem or a complaint, starting with I hope you're well can feel a bit tone deaf.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. So what do I say instead in those situations?
For a cold email, get straight to the point with a connection or a compliment. Hello, Alex, I really enjoyed your article on, and I'm writing to, or simply state your purpose politely. Hello, I'm writing to inquire about.
And for problem email?
Just be polite and direct. Hello, team, I'm writing regarding an issue with invoice number 1234. See, no need for the hope you're well buffer.
This is already changing my email game. So formula 2, I hope this finds you well. Use it thoughtfully, not automatically.
Perfect. Now, let's move to the body of the email and our next classic, attaching files. This is where Leo, in a few minutes, you're going to make the mistake that about 90% of learners make. Stay with us.
The pressure is on.
So, the classic textbook phrase is please find attached the document, or attached please find.
Yeah, that's what I usually write.
And it's grammatically correct, but it sounds very formal and old-fashioned. In most day-to-day work emails, native speakers use much simpler, more direct language.
What do they say?
They just say, I've attached, or the is attached, or even more casually, here's the A.
Wait, really? That's it? Just I've attached the report?
That's it. Let's practice. Imagine you're sending a contract to a client. The old way, Dear Mr. Lee, please find attached the contract for your review. The modern, natural way, Hi David, I've attached the contract for your review. Let me know if you have any questions.
That does sound more like a real person wrote it. It's friendlier but still professional.
Exactly. Now, there's a related mistake here. A lot of learners, especially because of the structure of their native language, will say, I attach the document without have.
Oh, I think I've done that. What's the difference?
I attached is simple past. It means you perform the action of attaching at a specific point in the past. I attached the file yesterday, but when you're writing the email, the attaching is happening now as part of the present moment of sending. So we use the present perfect, I have attached, or the contraction I've attached. It connects the past action to the present message.
So I've attached is for right now in this email. I attached is for telling someone about a past email.
Perfect. Now, are you ready for the classic mistake?
I think so. Hit me.
Okay. Write an email sentence where you attach two files, the report and the budget.
All right. Please find attach the report and the budget.
And there it is, the classic error. You said the report and the budget. But when you use attached as an adjective, you need to make it plural if there's more than one item. The report and the budget are attached. Or, using our new natural phrase, I've attached the report and the budget.
Oh, because there are two things, so they are attached, not is attached.
Exactly. Please find attach the report singular. The report and budget are attached plural. This tiny grammar point screams non-native to a reader, so getting it right adds a huge polish.
Noted. Formula 3, modernized, I've attached, or the are attached.
Beautiful. Now, let's land the plane, the closing line, the big one. I look forward to your reply, or I look forward to hearing from you.
I use that in literally every email. Please tell me that one's still okay.
It is absolutely still okay and very professional, but there's a massive, incredibly common grammatical mistake that learners make with this phrase.
Uh-oh.
Here it is. People often write, I look forward for your reply, or I look forward to hear from you.
I've definitely written to hear before. Why is that wrong?
Because look forward to is a phrasal verb that must be followed by a noun or a gerund, a verb with ing. I look forward to your reply. Can you, men, so wund? I look forward to hearing from you. Can gerund. But can gerund, to hear is an infinitive, and it doesn't work here. This mistake is so common across all language backgrounds.
So it's always look forward to noun, say gerund.
Always. Now, just like with I hope you're well, you can vary this to sound more natural. Instead of always using I look forward to your reply, you can say, let me know what you think, or thanks in advance for your feedback, or for a more collaborative tone, I'm excited to discuss this further.
This is so helpful. It's not about memorizing one perfect sentence, but having a few tools to choose from.
Precisely. Now, let's put it all together in a real-world scenario. Leo, you're going to write a short email to a new potential client named Jane Carter. You found her name on LinkedIn. You're sending her your company's portfolio. Go.
Okay, here goes. Dear Jane Carter, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Leo, and I'm writing from ABC Design. Please find attached our company portfolio for your review. I look forward for your reply. Best regards, Leo.
Ha ha ha, excellent. You just demonstrated 2 of the 3 classic errors we talked about in one email.
I did it? I mean, oh no, I did it.
Let's fix it together. First, the greeting. Dear Jane Carter is a bit too formal for a first name basis. Since you used her first name, Dear Jane is better, or Hello Jane.
Right.
Second, I hope this email finds you well. For a cold email to someone you've never met, it's not the best choice. Let's replace it with a connection. You found her on LinkedIn, so maybe reference that.
How about, hello Jane, I came across your profile on LinkedIn and was impressed by your work in sustainable marketing.
Perfect. That's a million times better. It's specific and shows genuine interest. Third, please find attached, let's modernize it.
I've attached our company portfolio.
Great. And the closing.
The big one. I look forward for your reply. Should be I look forward to your reply, or maybe I look forward to hearing your thoughts.
Beautiful. Now read the whole fixed version.
Hello Jane, I came across your profile on LinkedIn and was impressed by your work in sustainable marketing. I've attached our company portfolio for your review. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Best, Leo.
That sounds professional, modern, and like a real human wrote it. Huge difference, right?
Massive. It feels more confident.
Now, for our listeners, let's do a quick practice round. I'll give you a scenario and I want you to think of the opening line or the closing line. First scenario, you're following up on a meeting you had yesterday with your colleague, Mark.
Hi, Mark. I hope you're well. Following up on our conversation yesterday.
Good. I hope you're well. Works perfectly here with a colleague. You could also just say, Hi, Mark. Following up on our meeting yesterday, which is even more direct. Second scenario, you're sending a revised schedule to your entire team.
Hello, team. I've attached the revised schedule for next week.
Perfect, simple, and clear. Third, you're emailing a professor you don't know well to ask for advice.
This feels formal. Dear Professor Smith, I'm writing to ask for your advice regarding...
Excellent. No unnecessary hope you're well. Straight to the point with respect. Today's single, memorable takeaway is this. Swap stiff textbook formulas for simple, direct language. I've attached not. Please find attached. I look forward to hearing from you. Not. I look forward for your reply. And never ever, dear Sir Madam.
And if you want to sound like a real person in every email you write, make sure you're subscribed to Speak Like a Native. We drop new lessons like this every single day.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing. We'll see you in the next one.
See you!